Yeah, every developer knows this frustration. To encounter an error, spend hours searching Stack Overflow, GitHub issues, and documentation, only to find scattered, incomplete solutions. What if there was a better way? Meet CodeSense Mini, an AI-powered development assistant that instantly analyzes your code errors and provides the intelligent contextual solutions using TiDB vector search and multi-step AI reasoning. Yeah. Let me show you how it works with a real example that every React developer has a encounter. Yeah. As a step one, we can make change the programming language whichever we need it. Now I'm going to select JavaScript and clicking in the error messages, and I'm going to paste the error. Like here, a common React error, it cannot read a property map of undefined. This happens when we try to map over an undefined array. Coming to the code context, we are going to paste what happened. Yeah, I paste the problematic React component code. Notices how directly calling map on the items prop without checking if it exists. Now I'm going to click on the analyze error button. Now watch CodeSense Mini's multi-step workflow in action. First, it generates embedded of our errors and the code context. Like I'll show the workflow. First one, which to the embedding generation, which converts input error messages and code context into vector representations, semantic similarity search. Then hybrid search in TiDB, like finding similar error patterns using both semantic and keyword-based search. Third, it uses a Gemini AI to analyze error context and generate personalized solutions. And the fourth step is like a code generation and enhancement. Generate not just fixed code but improved versions with the best practices. Here we can see the an AI solution and a step-by-step explanation. Here's a result with a 95% confidence solution that correctly identifies the undefined error issue. Look at this clean fix using conditional running plus detailed explanation of why this error occurs and how we can prevent it. Coming to the my code architecture, here's what I have built using these components. Code block, error analyzer, pausing steps, result display. Libraries use it as agent.ts, database, Gemini types. You can show the TiDB dashboard of database how it's working, where we have been requested. Using the region as Singapore region, here we can see how it works by connecting with the request. Yeah. Behind the scenes, the CodeSense Mini demonstrates the true agentic AI behavior. It autonomously decides between vector search for a semantic similarity and a text search for exact matches. TiDB serverless stores us 768 dimension and embeddings for Lightning for similarity search, while Gemini AI provides the reasoning and code generation. This is not just a lookup tool; it's an intelligent agent that orchestrates multiple AI services to solve real developer problems in seconds instead of hours. Like from general, we are going to do the manual copy pasting. So here we can take by from manual searching through dozens of Stack Overflow answers to instant contextual solution. CodeSense Mini transforms how developers debug code, saving time and reducing frustration and accelerating learning. This is the future of development assistance, intelligent, fast, and always available. Check out the full source code and try CodeSense. Here we can do the by can directly copy the code. Here we can check out. Yeah, it have been copied. Yes.